Everyone, good evening. Now today we will discuss vector multiplication. So now vector multiplication. Now in vector multiplication, let's quickly see how many type of vector multiplication will be there. So in vector multiplication, it will be of two type. First is called as dot product, and second it is called as cross product. Only these two type of multiplication it will going to be exist in vector multiplication, and basically the dot product will give us a b cos theta, whereas cross product it is give me a b sin theta, and there's a one n cap that will going to give me the direction. Here it is only magnitude, hence it is called as a scalar product, whereas there's a magnitude and direction, hence it is called as vector product. Now the next important point is, if you need to find angle, use dot product, that is cos theta is equal to a dot b upon ab. This will going to be formula through which we can calculate the angle between the two vector. Fine. Now third important point is, for calculation of component of one vector over other vector, use dot product. Now this point is important for making component. Component is also called as a resolution of one vector along xyz axis, but in your examination maybe they were asking calculate the component of one vector over other. So in that case we will use dot product. We will see how to calculate. So these are the three important points. Now let's quickly cover few points in cross product. Cross product is basically, if A and B, it's representing the side of parallelogram. So A cross B going to give me the area of parallel parallelogram. This is geometrical interpretation. And the third point is direction we can get by right hand thumb rule. So there is a specific direction because it is a vector product, so direction we can get by using right hand thumb rule. Now let's see a few more point. Dot product and cross product. Point number 4, let's say vector A and this is vector B, and you have to calculate the projection of A on B. Let's say making angle theta. So here the projection will be A dot B upon mod B. Don't you feel this is a direction? Now projection of A on B, it will going to be vector A dot B. This will going to give you component. Fine. So this is not a component, we can say this is projection. For component, what we supposed to do, A dot B, this will give you the scalar quantity, and once again it got multiplied by direction. That will going to give you component. This is component. Clear? Component. Now here cross product. Now in a cross product, we can say for a clock rule, I, J, K, we can say in the clock direction I cross J is equal to K, J cross K is equal to I, and K cross I is equal to J. But converse is not true. Converse means if we change means J cross I, it will not K but it will be equal to minus K. This is called converse. If we have swapped the position, their vector will be changed by 180-degree. Fine. So here you need to understand and keep in your mind. So these are the important property, and I thought this component, this is new for you. You have to calculate component. So this thing I thought you have understood. And let's see the next product form. Let's say A is equal to AX plus AY AZK, and B is equal to BX BY BZ IJK. So basically dot product, how to calculate dot product. This is a very simple method. You have to only multiply the corresponding coefficient of AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. This will going to give you the dot product. Now as you know, A dot B upon mod A. How will get the mod A? Mod A is equal to AX square plus AY square plus AZ square upon mod B, BX square, BY square, BZ square. This will going to give you value of cos theta. Find A dot B we can keep by equation 1. So by this way we can get the value of cos theta. Now if A dot B equal to 0 means A and B are perpendicular to each other. This is the node property of dot product. Fine. Now A cross B. So A cross B, how we will keep I, J, K, then first row AX, AY, AZ, BX, BY, BZ. Now how to multiply it? Here I minus J and K keeping in this way, and here we will going to put the values like here for Ix we have to hide these two row and column, and in between AY, AZ, BY, BZ. Now for Z you have to hide the Z, so it will become AX, BX, AZ, BZ. For K, AX, AY, BX, BY. This is the matrix if you will solve. So it will be I, AY multiply by BZ minus BY, AZ minus J, AX, BZ minus AZ, BX plus K, AX, BY minus BX. So this is the expansion through which you can get the vector cross product. So I thought this is all about the dot product and cross product and all the properties. I thought you have understood. Keep revising, and maybe I will take few example on the next upcoming video. Till then, take care and revised everything.